Hi guys, welcome to the third part of our course. Let's get started with Blogger. And in this third part, I'm going to talk about how you can write article on Blogger. I'm going to talk about this everything. I will show you about how to write article, how to post article on Blogger, and also we are going to see how you can change the template and customize our blog for free in Blogger. So let's begin. And before I begin, I like to say that please, if you are new here on this channel, then make sure to subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon, because I upload these kinds of videos every day on this channel to help you grow and help you achieve success. So do it, and now let's begin. So here the first thing I'm going to do is take you to my computer screen. Here you can see this is our computer screen. Let me minimize this window, and here we have this our browser. And the first thing I'm gonna do is that open up blogger.com. Here we go, Blogger. This is the dashboard of Blogger, and here I have created this one post. Right now I don't need this post. I'm gonna just cancel it. And here we have this kind of page, this empty page. So if I will show you this blog right now, it looks like this. The interface is something like this. We have created this blog in our third, I'm in second part. So if you haven't watched the second part, then go ahead and watch that part and then come to this one, third part. So in our second part, we created this blog on Blogger, and in this part we are going to customize it and write, and I'm going to show you how to write article. So first let's talk about how to write article, okay, because that is the important thing. So to write article, go to the dashboard of Blogger and tap here a new post. So here if you tap on this, then it will take you to the page where you can write article. So just write here anything. The main content will be over here, and here you need to type the title of the article. Like if you have title, how to, let's say the best antivirus for computer, so type the title over here, the best antivirus, and then you need to write the main article here in this page over here. So this is the process. And to add images, just tap on here, and if you have your image on Google Photo, then you can choose Google Photo or Blogger. Or if you want to add the URL of the image, then just click on by URL. Or if you have the image in your computer and that you want to upload on the article, just click here, and from here it will take you to this page. Just tap on choose file, choose your photo, and tap on open. So this is the simple process that you can use, and we have a bunch of features that I think you will automatically understand when you will use Blogger. But here I am going to tell you some basic things. Like here, from here you can change the font of the main content. From here you can change the size: normal, medium, large, largest, smallest, and there are a lot of size. I'm going to tap on normal. We have paragraph size, subheading, minor heading, paragraph, normal heading, major heading. We have a bunch of paragraph. Then we have this button for making the text bold. Like here we have this part of the text bold. We also have it for making the text italic. We also have the button to underline the text. We also have the button to change the color of the text. You can see over here we have the button to mark the text. What is this? Text background color. And we also have there are a lot of features that you will automatically understand when you'll use this thing. So we also have the feature to add video on your blog. You can import video from YouTube, or you can just upload the video from your computer. So the Blogger is simple. So just like that, you can add your create your blog on Blogger. And here we have this preview button. If you tap on this, then here it will show you the preview of your blog post. You can see over here. And here we have this button, this publish button on this side. Here let me make this a little bit small. Here we have this publish button. After writing a blog, tap on this publish and tap on confirm, and then here it will publish the blog. So if I go to my site and show you the website, then here we have this first blog. Tap on read more to read the blog. So simple. Right now it is simple. So right now we have learned how to post blog on Blogger. Now let's talk about how to customize the website. Right now we have this kind of interface of our website, and let's see how we can customize. So just first go to Blogger and go to layout, and here in layout we have bunch of elements of our website that we can remove and add new elements. Like here we have footer. Footer means the bottom section of our website where these copyright things are written, and here this is the heading, and between footer and heading we have the main body of the website. Okay, and here we have body page where we have featured post, blog post. In the body we have this post and the featured post. So here from here you can change the layout of the website, delete something if you don't want. Just tap here and tap on remove button to remove that thing. Like here we go, and then here from here save the change. Now we have your changes have been saved. Just tap on this, go to your site, refresh it, and then you'll see that the changes have been saved. Okay, so from this layout page you can change the layout of your website if you want, and if you go to theme, then you can change the full theme of your site. Like here right now we have this kind of theme. We have bunch of themes available from Blogger. Just choose one of them. Like here I like this one. I'm gonna just tap on apply. Just tap on it, tap on apply, and go to your blog, refresh it, and then here you can see this page. Our site is totally changed. It is now dark theme. So from here you can choose bunch of theme, but the choice is limited. I mean, there are not much good better professional themes or templates that you can choose. You can see that it's kind of old theme, but if you want, then you can choose it. And if you want to add a new custom theme, then you can download the theme from Blogger. I'm going to also show you how you can do it. Just go to the page Blogger. I mean, just go to the browser and search here best template or theme, best template for Blogger in 2023. I'm not using my both hand to type on to type on the keyboard because I'm holding this mic with my another hand, so sorry for that. Best template for Blogger in 2023. Just search this thing on your computer, and here it will show you a bunch of templates. So we have this website. This is the website. Just choose any random site. I'll give you the link of this site in the description. You can go. There are many sites that you can use to download free templates. I mean, but I like this one, and we also have solar templates, the website, and this site is fantastic. I'll give you the link in the description. Let's check out the blog. Here we have this kind of theme. If you tap on the template, like here we have this blog. If you tap on this theme template, in this site we have bunch of templates available. So you need to choose your favorite templates. Like for example, if you choose this one and then here tap on download button, then it will download that template in your computer. But if you tap on live preview, then it will show you the preview of the template in your computer. So you can see here we have the preview. Your website will look something like this when you apply this template on your blog or website. So it is not good template. let's choose another one. Let's say this one. I think which is good. Let's choose this one. Okay, let's choose this one. It is good. We can also live preview this to see how our website will look. Yeah, fantastic. It is looking very fantastic. You can see that our website will look something like this if we apply this template. So it is the best template. I'm going to give you the link of this website in the description. I don't know how to pronounce this. Goya by template. I think that is the pronunciation of this website, but still I'm going to give you the link in the description. So this is how our website will look after applying this template. So to download it, we also have the paid version, I think. Let's tap on this download button, and here it will ask you the location where you want to download this folder. It is in zip file, so we need to unzip it and then extract our the main file that we have. So I'm gonna go back to this PC here and go to the download section, and then we have this zip file that we have downloaded right now. Just tap here, and then we have this main file. I'm gonna just copy this, and you can extract it, but I'm going to not do it. And then here we have this main file. Let me go to property, and we have this file. We have this XML file. You can see that. So you also need to extract the XML file of your template that you have downloaded. After that, just cut this tab, go to Blogger. I'm going to close all the tabs right now. Okay, so go to the dashboard of Blogger, and then here go to theme, and then here you can see this little icon. Tap here and tap on the store, and then tap on upload, and from here you need to upload that XML file that you have extracted from that zip file. We have this kind of XML document. I'm going to just select it and tap on open. The storing theme, we need to wait for a minute, and then it will restore the theme, change all the things. Right now we have this kind of website. You can see that restore theme. So right now you can see we have this kind of website that we created in our third part, and we also in our second part, and we also changed the layout into dark. And if we refresh it right now, then it will change the full website into this professional website. You can see that the URL is same, invoticofficial.blogspot.com, and you can see the totally everything is changed of this website. It is a free template that we have used in our website, and it is also responsive. If I'll show you this, then you can see it is fully responsive. You can see that. Also available for mobile. Very fantastic template. So this is the template. I hope that you have enjoyed this part. You can see our website is now very professional and fantastic. So that's it for this video. Make sure to tap on that subscribe button to receive the fourth part of this course. Let's get started with Blogger. The fourth part will come very soon, and that's it for this video. Make sure to like this video, and if you are new here on this channel, then subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the fourth part. And that's it. Also make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get more technology related content. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. The link is given below. All the things to everything that I have mentioned in this video is given below. Tap the link and you can access everything that I showed you in this video. Peace.